All right, let's go ahead and do lesson 119. This will be the last lesson for this week. All right, so we're going to talk about absolute value inequalities. Let's go ahead and do some problems so you can see how this works. So for these, we're going to do sets like we talked about a couple lessons ago. So let's write this out. We're going to say X is a subset of real numbers such that the absolute value of X minus 2 is less than 4. All right, so the way absolute value works in terms of inequalities is we're going to say a something is the absolute value of a something. So that something has to be less than four and greater than negative 4. All right. So we know that something is X minus 2. So we're going to write it out. All right. Let's go ahead and simplify these. All right. We got our number line. All right, and because this is less than, we're going to say it's a conjunction. So it's X is less than 6 and greater than negative 2. So it's going to be this here. Let's make that line very thick. All right. All right, let's look at something a little bit different. So in this case, X is a subset of integers such that the absolute value of X minus 2 is greater than 3. So that means that something is greater than 3 or less than negative 3. All right, so in this case, our something is X minus 2, so it's going to be X minus 2 is greater than 3 or X minus 2 is less than negative 3. All right, so let's go ahead and simplify. All right, we got our number line. All right, since these are integers, we make sure you just plot the points. So X is greater than 5 and less than negative 1. Obviously, going on since I didn't make a very big number line. All right, so make sure that when you have the absolute value of something, if it's greater than a number, it's going to be or. If that something is less than a number, it's going to be and. All right? So that covers absolute value inequalities.